Step number 1, go to this website and choose a photo. Step number 2, download the photo and get paid from this another unique website completely free and available worldwide. It's an easy process. You can do the same process multiple times as you like and get paid up to $1,000 per day. To do the following, you do not need any skills or previous experience, nor a camera to take photos, or even speak in front of a camera. And in fact, anybody watching this video can do this and quickly get paid. This is an effortless and effective way to make money online without making any investments quickly, and by far is one of the most easiest ways to earn money that I have shared so far. And it requires no skills at all. If you want to learn how I started earning thousands of dollars per week from this method, watch till the end to find out more about the bonus tips. Alright, so the first website we need to start earning is called Canva.com. So as you can see here, Canva is a website where you can easily create designs. And when you're here, there are millions of templates on this website that you can use to create designs like Instagram stories, YouTube thumbnails, and so much more. When you hear that, you might think that you need a lot of experience in designing to do this, but you are wrong. It's very simple to do this, and you need little to no skills required at all in order to do this. Anybody can do this if they follow the instructions in this video clearly. By the way, if you try to do this on all your own without following the whole instructions in this video, you might end up wasting your time and in the end fail. So I highly suggest you watch the video till the end. Alright, so the first thing you need to do when you're on canva.com is click on their sign up button right here on the right corner. Now, before I sign up, I want to make it clear again that you do not need any previous experience in graphics designing or anything in order to do this. So to sign up on Canva, you can click on their sign up with Google button, sign up with Facebook, or even sign up with email. But to make things easier, I'm going to click sign up with Google. And then you'll get a prompt saying enter your Google account. Simply choose your account, and you successfully have a Canva account. Now, when you're here in Canva, I would highly suggest you choose small business or personal. But for now, I'm going to choose small business because that's basically what you're going to do. And on the team, you can simply add your name here, make money boss, and you can even add your logo. But if you don't have one, don't worry, you can create from here. But let's click continue. And you don't really need Canva Pro, but if you do want Canva Pro and get other features, then sure you can do that, but I'm not going to use Canva Pro here, and click maybe later. And you can also add team members here, which is very awesome if you want to add team members, but for now I'm going to click skip. And when you successfully create a Canva account, you will get to this screen saying presentation, Instagram post, logo, and Facebook post. So as you can see on Canva, you can do quite a lot of things here, like create an Instagram post or a logo, Facebook post, and a cover video, and many much more. Canva allows you to do a lot of things in their website. Now, when you're here, I'm going to show you how to create a design of your own. So let's go ahead and refresh this page, and then we will be taken onto this page. Now what I'm going to do is click on your social media, and then you have a lot of options what to make, but let's go ahead and make a logo today. Click on For You and click on the logo button. And as you can see, Canva has a very easy to use UI. No matter if you have no experience in graphics designing or anything, it is quite simple to use no matter what. It's by far the easiest editor that I have used. Now, how about we gonna make a logo, huh? Let's go ahead and select the template. I'm gonna select this first one, and you can see it has a very nice logo. And it's that simple to make a logo. All you need to do is type your name, and once you're done, click on that download button, and you can simply download your logo. It's that simple. Now, you might be asking, how am I supposed to make logo by just doing that? That's kind of odd. Well, let's just wait for the next part. So the next website we need in order to make money is called Fiverr.com. Now, Fiverr.com is a website where you can easily sell stuff starting from $5 to all the way as much as money you want to sell it from. So on Fiverr, you can see people sell many stuff. So let's go under graphics and design tag and under logo design. And as you can see, people are doing logo design services for around $15, $10. And as you can see, the first person has over 1,000 reviews. That is insane. So he has been earning a lot of money. Never mind, around 3,000 reviews. He has been earning around hundreds of thousands of dollars from this method. People having 5-star reviews, and if you scroll up, you can see his logo designs are so nice, and these logos can be easily found on Canva, right? These are the same kind of templates, right? Like similar at least. You can exactly do the same every day and earn up to thousands of dollars per day. It's that simple to make money with this method. And I myself have been making thousands of dollars this way. Now let's go ahead and sign up on Fiverr by clicking on their join button. And once you do click their join button, you will be taken onto a screen to enter your email and everything. But apparently I already have an account, so let's go ahead and log into my account. And I have successfully logged into my Fiverr account. Now you might have created your own Fiverr account now. That is amazing. Good job. Now let's get started into making money. So the first thing you want to do is click on that switch to selling button, and then you will be taken onto your seller dashboard. Now what you're going to do next is click on that gigs tab. And then here you can create your own gig or the place where you'll be able to sell stuff. So when you here, simply click that create a new gig. And then when you're here on create a new gig, you're going to enter a gig title. So I'm going to type, I will create a logo for your business. Now let's make it a lot better by typing, I will create a professional logo, which should be a lot more catchy, right? Professional logo for your business. Just perfect. So on the category, you're gonna get recommended stuff. So let's put in logo design. And let's put how about we say 3D or flat minimalist. Depends on what kind of logo you wanna do. And on the file format, we're gonna just choose JPG, PNG, and SVG. That's what all we're gonna choose. Now it's very important you also put tags. Let's type logo, company logo, create logo, and let's type logo again, custom logo. These are the 3 tags we're gonna use, and if you want more tags, sure, you can do that too. Now click save and continue. And once you're here, you're gonna get options for 3 packages. Now, if you only want 1 package, you can simply turn that out, but with 3 packages, you can see like this guy right here. Let's click on his gig. He has one option saying $15, Silky Flow. It's just a basic logo, no mascot or standard. If you want a fluid design, a better design or premium for $125, you can do a lot more to it. Just like that, you can have 3 basic packages. But I'm just gonna choose 1 package and type it professional design and just put a description if you want. And since it's like very simple to create a logo, I'm gonna put the delivery time to only 1 day. And on the revisions, I'm just gonna choose 1 or 2, just put 2 revisions. And we're gonna add 2 concepts or just 1, to save time. Let's just put 1 concept. And we're gonna enable logo transparency or high resolution and social media kit. We're not gonna do that. And the pricing. It's up to you how you want to price it. How about we'll price it $25 or $15? I'm just gonna price it around $15. And with the amount of sales you're gonna get, you can make a huge amount of profit from just $15 from this. Now you can also add some gig extras for an extra revision, additional logo concept, or much more if you want that, but I'm not gonna choose that. But you can do that too and earn a lot more revenue that way. And once you're done, click on save and continue. Oh, we need to put a description. So let's go ahead and put a description. A professional logo for your business. And once you're done, we're just gonna remove that. Unless you do want to add extra fast delivery and stuff, but I'm not gonna do that for now. And then click save and continue. And then you're gonna be added to a page where you're gonna enter your description. So on the description, you can type many stuff like, let's look at this guy on what he's doing. You can see he has said a team of talented graphics designer with 5 years of experience. Now you do not have to put that. You can say, I have been expert in making logos and why me, trusted, and you can put a lot of those stuff and you can say money back guarantee in case you do not like my design. You can do a lot of things on there. There's just endless things you can do. I'm just gonna type professional logo because I wanna just show it to you guys how you do it. And on the FAQ, I highly suggest you add FAQ like how long does it take to for delivery? I'll just type 1 day. And you can also add other stuff too, like how many times can I ask for new designs or revisions. It's all up to you what you want to put. And then once you're all done, click save and continue. Apparently, our description has to be at least 120 characters long, so let me just do that. And with the help of editing, I am all done entering my description. Now let's click on save and continue now. And then we're going to be taken to the requirements page. Now I'm going to type the logo name or just the name of your business, name of your business. And we're going to add we're just going to add free text. And then if you have any example, let's click example designs, example designs. Let's put that here just in case the customer wants something matching to one design. And then let's click save and continue. And then you're gonna have an option to add images and videos. So how are you gonna supposed to make that? Well, that's very simple. So now we're gonna go back to Canva and then we're gonna go to social media and choose YouTube thumbnail. So we don't have it here at the moment. So I'm just gonna, oh, never mind. You just gonna search it, YouTube thumbnail, and just click on that one. And then you will have lots of options for multiple designs you can choose. Let's just select a simple design from, let's say, here. Once we're here on this, we're just gonna add the text, professional logo for your business. I know it doesn't look that good because I'm not spending that much time on it, but when you're doing it, I suggest putting some effort onto it on making it. Now, once you're done, click got it and just click download, say PNG, or you can just save it as JPG and then click save file. And once you're done, go back to your gig and add that photo. Simply drag the photo if you want to. And the next thing we're gonna do is simply go back to the logos that we're making and select a simple logo. And once you can see here, let's add our name here. Money Making Boss. This is a very cool logo. Choose that one and click download. And then we're also gonna choose PNG to keep things very simple. And then also click save file. And then again, back to the gigs page, we're gonna upload that file too, so that customers can see what logos you choose. But apparently the minimum dimensions are 550 and 370, so you can just change that up by just going here, or I mean the Canva, clicking download, PNG, and then option for size. But you do not need that size now because you don't really need to upload that. All you can basically do is go on another website called photopea.com. And once you are on Photopea, simply click on that new file. And then when you're a new file, just simply copy the resolution 550 by 370, 550 on width, and 370 on height. Now I'm going to choose the background to black. That's because what my logo is. And then drag that logo right here. And once you do that, just make it a lot bigger to make sure it fits the screen. And then click OK. And then click on File, Export as JPG. Let's clip it a lot more simple this time. And then go back to your gigs page and simply put that logo. So when you put one logo design, customers will be able to see what kind of logos you can design and what you're capable of. And in Canva, you can design thousands of logos because there are millions of templates you can choose from, knowing you can make whatever you want for your client, and you will be getting sales probably within the first day you create your own gig. And also make sure the thumbnail is very attractive. And on the documents, you do not need to put anything. And once you're done, you're just gonna click save and continue. Oops. So you're gonna also have to declare that the materials were created by yourself, and just click on that and click save and continue. Once you're done, you're just gonna click publish gig and you will have your gig finally made. Woohoo! Your gig is finally live. Simply copy the link and, as always, share the link with your friends so that your friends will be able to see what you're doing online, and maybe they will purchase it too. Who knows? So another thing you can do on Canva is not only just logo, you can also create Instagram stories, YouTube thumbnails, and much more. So if you want to earn a lot more money, simply create YouTube thumbnails or Instagram stories or YouTube or Facebook stories and much more. You can do so much more and create gigs for individual stuff and earn a lot more money. You can do so much more on with this money making method. And I really hope this method helped you guys out. And if it did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel. And also leave a comment if you have any questions. I will always respond to your questions, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.